Before we dive in, it's important to set the stage for our journey together. This video is created with the intention of serving as an educational, informational, and, I hope, an entertaining resource for those interested in practical preparedness. The ideas and methods we'll explore are meant to be a starting point, a catalyst for your own research and critical thinking. We're building a foundation of knowledge, but remember that every situation is unique, and what works for one person may need to be adapted for another. In the crowded world of online content, thumbnails are designed to be visually striking and capture your attention. They are a necessary first step to invite you into the conversation. However, they are merely a doorway and may not always encapsulate the full nuance and depth of the content within. The real value is in the details we'll cover together. So I encourage you to look past the cover and engage with the substance of the video. The information presented here is a blend of carefully gathered data from public sources, established prepping knowledge, and my own personal experiences and trials. While I strive for accuracy, I do not claim to be an infallible authority. The world of preparedness is constantly evolving, and new information comes to light. Think of me as a fellow traveler on this path, sharing what I've learned along the way. It is never my intention to target, defame, or disrespect any individual, group, or organization. This channel is built on a foundation of respect and a shared interest in self-reliance. Our discussions are about strategies and materials, not about passing judgment. We are here to learn and grow, not to create division. To be perfectly clear, I am not a licensed chemist, a certified medical professional, or a structural engineer. My expertise comes from dedicated study and hands-on application, not from a formal degree in these specific fields. Therefore, it is absolutely critical that you always exercise your own judgment and due diligence. The responsibility for your safety and the well-being of your family rests with you. If you have any concerns, especially regarding health, safety, or structural matters, please consult with a licensed and qualified professional. Their specific guidance is irreplaceable. The views and opinions expressed in this video are my own and do not necessarily reflect an official position of any other entity. This content is designed to spark thoughtful reflection and empower you with options, not to provide a rigid set of rules. There is no single right way to prepare. There is only the way that is right for you and your circumstances. So I ask that you watch with an open and discerning mind. Take what resonates, leave what doesn't, and always continue to learn. Thank you for being here and for being a part of our growing prepping family. Now let's get started. In the quiet corners of almost every kitchen in America, there's a humble $2 item that seasoned preppers value more than most high-tech gadgets. It's not flashy, it's not expensive, and its incredible versatility is almost always overlooked. This unassuming box of sodium bicarbonate or simple baking soda holds the key to solving dozens of potential survival problems. Today, we're not just talking about it. We're going to prove why it deserves a significant, permanent spot in your emergency supplies. We'll cover 8 critical reasons, from first aid and fire suppression to food preservation and hygiene. If you're new to this channel, my focus is always on practical, accessible, and low-cost prepping, the skills and supplies that genuinely make a difference when things go wrong. We cut through the noise to find what truly matters. If that approach resonates with you, consider subscribing to join our community. Now let's get into the details. Reason 8, it's a water purifier assistant. Let's be perfectly clear from the start. Baking soda is not a standalone water purifier. It will not kill bacteria, viruses, or protozoa. However, in a situation where you're treating questionable water, it serves as a powerful secondary tool. Adding a small amount, about half a teaspoon per gallon, can help clarify cloudy water by causing fine sediment to clump together and settle, a process known as flocculation. It also helps neutralize acidic contaminants and can improve the taste of treated water, especially water that's been purified with iodine. Think of it as a crucial support step in a multi-barrier water treatment system, making your primary filter or chemical treatment more effective. It's a legitimate backup technique that most people simply don't know about. Reason 7, fire suppression. A box of baking soda can smother small grease or electrical fires instantly, something every kitchen and every prep kit should have on hand regardless of anything else. Reason 6, hygiene without running water. It works as a functional teeth cleaner, deodorant, and body powder substitute when your normal hygiene products or running water aren't available. Reason 5, food preservation. Baking soda helps with basic food safety tasks. Cleaning produce, neutralizing odors in storage containers, even assisting in basic food prep when you're stretching limited supplies. Reason 4, wound care support. It can be used in basic first aid contexts, soothing minor skin irritation and insect bites when specialized products aren't available. Reason 3, cleaning without modern products. When you run out of dish soap or cleaning supplies, baking soda is a genuine multi-purpose cleaner for dishes, surfaces, and even laundry in a pinch. Reason 2, long shelf life. Properly stored, baking soda lasts for years without losing effectiveness. One of the best value per dollar, value per shelf life items you can buy. Reason 1 is disappearing fast in bulk sizes. This isn't a far-off prediction, it's happening right now. And it's the primary reason this humble powder made our list. While the small, familiar orange boxes are still on most store shelves, the large, cost-effective bulk bags are quietly vanishing. We're already seeing significant supply inconsistencies at major retailers, driven by rising production and packaging costs. This is a classic leading indicator of supply chain fragility. When the bulk options, the most efficient way for both the producer and the consumer to handle a product, start to disappear, it signals deeper stress in the system. It means the cost-benefit of producing large formats is eroding. What follows is often scarcity in smaller sizes or sharp price increases that make stocking up later a much more expensive proposition. Securing a multi-year supply now for just a few dollars is one of the smartest, lowest cost insurance policies you can invest in. That's why a simple box of baking soda deserves a real spot in your stockpile. Not because it's exciting, but because it's a force multiplier. Its utility in a crisis is almost unmatched for its price. We're talking about its role in fire suppression for small grease fires, a key ingredient for creating a sanitary environment when water is scarce, a first aid tool for insect bites and stings, and even a way to extend the life of your food supplies. One inexpensive item that can solve dozens of critical problems. It's the definition of a high-impact prep. If you want a full low-cost prep list like this, check the guide linked below. Subscribe for more and tell me what everyday item you think is underrated. Stay ready, not scared. Tone, cinematic, intense, grounded, introspective, realistic, dramatic, emotionally grounded, calm, cinematic, introspective, narration-paced video for YouTube about prepping and survival. Length, time for 10-minute faceless narration, 2.53 words, sec pacing. Purpose, a dramatic, faceless survival guide blending realism, tension, and quiet resilience. Theme, preservation, quiet resilience, survival in the face of collapse. Polished with Hollywood-level VFX and hyper-realism.